Welcome back, everyone. Today I just went out and I bought some of this Mother's clay kit. I've been wanting to do this for a while, buying a clay bar and actually getting my car looking good, getting everything out of the paint. If you can see, especially on back here on the bumper, all these little places right in here, all that dirt and gunk right there, that's just been getting stuck in the bumper because all the stuff like the oils and everything from under the car gets picked up and it gets picked up and pushed right back on top of it and just sticks into the paint. So what I'm gonna do is be doing a quick review on that stuff and see how much better this will make my bumper look, because it is really in bad need, because it doesn't look too far from it doesn't look too bad from far away, but if you come closer you can already see it's got a bunch of dirt and stuff in the paint and a bunch of dirt. So I have a feeling that if I can get all that stuff out, it will look a heck of a lot better. They'll actually, because sometimes when I'm looking at it, it looks like it's just a little bit different color, just because it has some of that black dots in there to kind of make it look a little bit darker, like more of like a yellowish, a little bit darker, just a little bit like just off, like a yellowish dark color in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so this is what the box looks like all the way around. Right here it shows you that it comes with 2 100 grams clay bars, some instant detailer, and also a microfiber towel. Back here it just shows you how to apply it. And over here is just how it works and some more stuff about Mother's. Anyway, so whenever you open this thing up, the first thing that you're going to see, first thing that you're going to get out is the instant detailer and the microfiber cloth. And at the very bottom are going to be the 2 clay bars. So here you go. All you would really need is one. I don't think I'm going to use the whole one. I'm probably going to cut it in half or maybe a quarter and then do it, because I don't need the whole thing. So anyway, basically all you're going to have to do whenever you use this stuff, all you're going to do is spray this stuff on microfiber cloth and go over it, kind of help clean everything off. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean this thing off first, spray it down one time, and then, okay, one thing I did do is I used wax, and that's why all this stuff is like, and I took it out yesterday, to school and to work. So I'm gonna have to take off that wax coating first. All you do is clean that off, then you spray it again, then you take the clay bar, and you just, while it's still wet, you just wanna rub it in there, and what that will do is loosen up all the dirt and grime out of it as much as you can. You're just going to keep rubbing it back and forth until it starts getting smooth. You don't want to put too much pressure. You just want to lightly go over it until it gets smooth. And that's whenever you know everything has been pulled out of it. All right, so let's get started. Okay, quickly, right before I get started, I just want to go over and show you the difference of what it looks like now. I think I might do some of the top of the trunk too. What it looks like now. On that through here. Then later on, after I'm done, I'll show you the difference between it now and later. Put this stripper here just so you can see the difference and what it looks like before and after. Let's see, put this thing back. It's hard to see on the camera. There's a difference from this and that. I mean, you can see right there, you go right there. I mean, I still, apparently for like the bigger pieces and stuff like that, still just like little dips in the paint right there, stuff like that. it definitely does make a difference. But like, yeah, I still have those black things, and all the black stuff, that's actual like stuff that has chipped into the paint. So there's nothing I can do about that. But you can see like right here is the line. I can get it better. That's hard to see on this. But anyway, it really does make a difference. I just want to show you this before I start going in there and getting this. You see all that stuff like right in there that's under the Chevy symbol? Like they can't really get too good with, like I can't even get that off my finger so it doesn't come off. And like the stuff over here in the top corner, all that stuff in there will not come off normally if you're washing it. But use this stuff. And it comes off just nice. That's what makes this stuff awesome. And look at that, just and all that's gone. Very clean. After looking at it, especially in person, that has really made a difference. Wow, it looks really good. Like especially under here, it really shows. Like up under here is not going to get like a bunch of stuff, like little holes and stuff like this, because there's not going to be much stuff hitting it, like little rocks and pebbles and whatever, sticking into it for a lot. Which this stuff did have some stuff in it, some of the stuff in the paint. And it looks really good. It really brought it out. I got a little carried away, started doing the very top of the trunk and stuff, the wing. And I'm gonna stop there before I start doing the whole car. Get too carried away with it. But that stuff looks really great. And that stuff is absolutely, I can definitely see the difference. There's a difference. It's just mainly black and white holes right now. Just black holes and stuff, but that's just because it's stuff in the paint that messed up, like right there. Which this bumper looks like it really wasn't painted very well because it's very thin paint on there. But I'm going to end up getting the same painted again at the end of the year, which will look right again. But that stuff, honestly, this stuff was definitely worth the $22 I spent after tax. This is definitely worth it, and we're just, I'd say maybe I'd say about a third of that stuff. I got that stuff and I cleaned all that off, got back there. I could honestly finish the whole car with this because it's still not in bad condition. It's not absolutely full, so I can still keep using it. It's still usable. So I could probably finish this car. This stuff would last me forever. So honestly, I definitely recommend this product. This stuff works well. One thing I do like about this stuff, it works great, and also it smells like peppermint, which is very interesting. This right here, I definitely would recommend you get if you have problems stuff like this. I know there are other brands out there and stuff, but this is what I got, and this is what I would recommend. This is definitely worth its money, I believe. So if y'all guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see y'all guys next time.